So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here these 16 questions to answer on the topic plant and animal nutrition. So guys, this video will be about modes of nutrition. So ensure to stay till the end of this video. We have here the first question, which says, which of the following organisms feed both autotrophically and heterotrophically? We have A, Euglena, B, Hydra, C, Mucor, and D, Paramecium. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's Euglena. Euglena is the animal with both the plants and animal features, and it feeds both autotrophically and heterotrophically. It feeds autotrophically because of the position of the chlorophyll. And that's it for this question. So let's consider the next question, guys. That's question number 2 here. It says, the organism that can carry out both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition is A. Euglena, B. Spirogyra, C. Eudorhina, and D. Chlamydomonas. So guys, we've already established this, that the answer is the Euglena, and that's option A here again. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So we have a diagram here, and the question says the mode of nutrition of the plant in the diagram is A. Saprophytic and carnivorous, B. Photosynthetic and carnivorous, C. Photosynthetic and chemosynthetic, D. Chemosynthetic and saprophytic. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, photosynthetic and carnivorous. So this is a carnivorous plant, and as such, since it has the chlorophyll, it will also be able to carry out photosynthesis, and as such, its mode of nutrition can be seen as both photosynthetic and carnivorous. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 4 here. It says, which of the following group of organisms do not have members that can be called autotrophs? We have A. Mosses, B. Protists, C. Fungi, D. Chlorophyta. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. Members of the group of fungi actually do not carry out photosynthesis, and as such, they don't have any member that can be called autotrophs. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. So that's question number 5 here, and the question says, an organism is considered a heterotroph when it A. Fixes atmospheric nitrogen, B. Respires anaerobically, C. Feeds on already manufactured food, and D. Feeds on inorganic food. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's feed on already manufactured food. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 6 here. It says, which of the following plants is a carnivore? We have A. Desmodium, B. Mushroom, C. Platycerium, and D. Sundew. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's sundew. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 7 here. It says, the type of nutrition shown by Spirogyra is A. Chemosynthetic, B. Holophytic, C. Symbiosis, D. Holozoic. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's holophytic. The type of nutrition shown by Spirogyra is holophytic. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. Question number 8 here. It says, the mode of nutrition common to green plants is A. Holozoic, B. Autotrophic, C. Saprophytic, D. Heterotrophic. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's autotrophic. So all green plants are autotrophs. So bear that in mind, and that is it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 9 here. It says, the capturing and digestion of insects by a pitcher plant is a special form of nutrition that is A. Autotrophic, B. Saprophytic, C. Chemosynthetic, and D. Heterotrophic. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's heterotrophic. So the pitcher plant actually has a way of carrying out a heterotrophic nutrition, and that's a special phenomenon. So that's it for this question, guys. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. So that's question number 10 here. It says, a beaker of pond water containing few specimens of euglena was placed in a dark room for 2 weeks. At the end of this period, the specimens of euglena were still alive because they were A. Not overcrowded, B. Able to carry out photosynthesis using carbon dioxide in the pond water, C. Better adapted in life in darkness than life in light, D. Able to carry out holozoic nutrition. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. The euglena was able to carry out holozoic nutrition while in this dark area. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 11 here. So the question here says the structure labeled I is A. A tendril, B. A pitcher, C. A flower, D. An onion. So guys, the structure labeled I here is actually a pitcher, and that's option B here. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next question here is question number 12, and it says the examples of autotrophic organisms include the following except A. Euglena, B. Spirogyra, C. Chlamydomonas, D. Hydra. So guys, Hydra is not an autotroph, and that's the odd option here. So the answer to this question is option D, Hydra. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 13 here. It says, the type of nutrition in which organisms take solid organic materials into their body is A. Saprophytic, B. Parasitic, C. Symbiotic, and D. Holozoic. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's holozoic. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 14 here. It says, organisms that feed on dead, decaying tissues of other organisms are known as A. Autotrophs, B. Heterotrophs, C. Saprophytes, and D. Parasites. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's saprophytes. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 15 here. It says, autotrophic nutrition is a process whereby an organism obtains food A. By utilizing its stored energy, B. By synthesizing simple substance using energy, C. From other organisms in exchange for some products, D. In a synthesized form from other living organisms. So guys, option B is the answer to this question, by synthesizing simple substance using energy. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. That's question number 16 here. It says, an organism whose source of carbon is inorganic is likely to be a or an autotrophic organism, symbiotic organism, parasitic organism, heterotrophic organism. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, and that's autotrophic organism. So guys, that's it for this question. This is where we end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on WAEC examination. You can join this community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. So thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.